Now, lesson number 13. Now I make you learn how the duration, elongation of vowel, fathah on a letter makes a double sound of the same. Example, ta, ta, ma, ma, za, wa. It is a shortened alif. It is called alif maqsurah. Read this vertical shortened alif. Maqsurah on the line, maqsurah below the line, inverted zammah on the line, inverted zammah on the line, maqsurah on the line, maqsurah on the line, inverted zammah on the line, maqsurah below the line, maqsurah below the line, inverted zammah on the line, maqsurah on the line, inverted zammah on the line, maqsurah on the line, maqsurah below the line. These three have the same duration of elongation, that is, to the extent of one alif.